If you're thinking about buying the Nexar Beam Dash Cam because it promises instant video evidence and 24/7 parking protection, you're in the right place. But here's what surprised me about this device. Many buyers rave about it, yet there are some notable problems that Nexar Beam users face, which you won't hear about in the slick marketing videos. Today, I'm giving you the honest review you need before you hit that buy button, because what appears to be the perfect dash cam might just have a few blind spots you need to know about. So stick around if you want the full story, including who this camera really suits. And spoiler alert, who it doesn't. Think you know dash cams? Think again. Let's jump right into the deep dive. First off, the Nexar Beam is sold at $99.99 with a 4.2-star rating on Amazon, which is decent but not stellar. It comes with a free Nexar Classic subscription, including unlimited cloud storage and AI-powered incident detection. Sounds great on paper. The Beam streams live footage straight to your phone, runs quietly in the background, and even detects impacts while your car is parked. All features you expect from a modern dash cam. But while these features sound impressive, the reality of everyday use has some wrinkles that might test your patience. Have you ever felt like your gadget promised to be a superhero, but turned out to be more of a sidekick? That might be the story here. One big selling point is the 24/7 parking mode, automatically detecting impacts and alerting you when your phone reconnects. However, there's a catch. This feature depends heavily on your phone's Bluetooth connection being perfect and doesn't always detect minor bumps. Some users complained about false alerts or no alerts at all. So, if you're the type who parks in busy city spots or tight garages, relying solely on this smart detection might leave you hanging. It's like getting a guard dog that sometimes naps on the job. Not exactly peace of mind when you need it most. So, does this mean the Beam is unreliable? Not entirely, but it's a limitation worth considering. Now, the app experience is crucial because the Nexar Beam pairs exclusively with the Nexar Classic app on iPhone 7 Plus or most Android devices. This app runs in the background as you use navigation, still nice in theory, but some users report constant app crashes and connection issues with certain phones. Imagine catching a crucial accident but the app freezes or disconnects at the worst moment. Nightmare, right? Also, remember that this dash cam requires your smartphone for full functionality. So if you forget your phone or don't have the app running, many features won't work. Think of it like the dash cam needs a personal assistant, your phone, to do its job properly. It's not all doom and gloom though. The Beam boasts AI-powered incident detection, automatically saving clips securely to the cloud. This means if you get into a fender bender or sudden brake situation, the camera will lock and save that footage without you pressing a single button. Plus, the unlimited cloud storage is a huge win, considering many dash cams charge extra for storage beyond a limited time frame. It's definitely one of the best things Nexar brings to the table for its price point. So if you're someone who hates fumbling with memory cards or manually saving footage, this is a major plus. But don't pop the champagne just yet because the cloud backup can sometimes be slow or glitchy, causing delays in clip uploads, according to user reports. So who is the Nexar Beam actually for? If you are a tech-savvy driver who never forgets your phone, loves hands-free tech, and values cloud backup plus incident alerts, it's a solid option. On the other hand, if you want a dash cam that works independently from your smartphone or you have an older phone model, this may not be the best fit. Also, if you're looking for the easiest installation possible or the most discreet footprint, the Beam fits well. It installs quickly and discreetly in your vehicle without messy wires every casual driver hates. Picture this: you're setting it up during your lunch break and done before your sandwich cools off. Nice and easy. Speaking of easy setups, the Beam pairs effortlessly with your phone. The compatibility covers iPhone 7 Plus and most Androids, but there's always a caveat. They suggest checking the FAQ for exact compatibility because it's not flawless. Not everyone has had seamless setup experiences, and sometimes the camera might require multiple attempts to connect or firmware updates before the features work as expected. Kind of like when you buy a smart fridge and have to call tech support 3 times just to order groceries through it. Speaking of support, Nexar offers 24/7 customer service right through the app, which is commendable. The support team is reportedly helpful, but users mentioned wait times and occasional language barriers. But hey, at least they're there when you need them. Now, let me share a little story. A friend of mine recently installed the Nexar Beam on his new car. He was excited about the parking mode since he parks on a busy street where door dings are frequent. For the first 2 days, no alerts. Then boom, late at night, minor bump, no notification until hours later. Later, the app crashed while he was streaming live footage to show a minor accident he'd just witnessed. While the cloud backup saved the incident, his nerves didn't survive the waiting game. He joked that his dash cam was more like a dash maybe. Maybe it will save your footage, maybe it won't. This isn't an isolated case. Several users echo similar frustrations. So reliability in day-to-day stressful moments isn't quite 100%. Now here's a twist you might not expect. Despite these downsides, many users love the Beam's video quality. The 1080p footage is crisp and clear, even at night, making it easy to identify license plates or road signs. This sharp video clarity makes Nexar Beam one of the better-priced dash cams in terms of image quality. Plus, the live streaming feature is fantastic if you want to check on your vehicle remotely in real time, provided you don't mind some occasional lag due to network issues. Another nice touch is the discreet design, which avoids the bulky look that some dash cams have. So, if aesthetics and video quality top your list, the Beam might just win you over despite the glitches. By now, you're probably wondering, with all these pros and cons, should I buy the Nexar Beam? Here's the bottom line. If you want a smart dash cam that integrates tightly with your smartphone, offers excellent video clarity, unlimited cloud storage, and decent AI detection features, and you're ready to handle minor app hiccups, then yes, this product makes sense. But if you seek a simple, standalone dash cam experience with zero dependence on your mobile device, or have less than ideal cellular connectivity, it might frustrate you. Does that sound a bit complicated? Well, technology often is. Alright, quick joke break before we finish. Why don't dash cams ever get lost? Because they always stay on the right track. And if you buy the Nexar Beam, hopefully it won't be the wrong track unless the app glitches. Here's another. Why did the dash cam break up with the GPS? It couldn't handle all the direction changes. Also, I asked my dash cam if it's seen any crime lately. It said no, it's just here for the drive-by punchlines. Okay, last one. What do you call a dash cam that loves to nap? A snooze cam. Honestly, sometimes it feels like the Beam's parking mode takes coffee breaks too. In conclusion, Nexar Beam is an innovative dash cam packed with modern features like AI-powered incident detection, live streaming, and unlimited cloud storage, all for just $99.99. The subscription for unlimited cloud backup is included free, which is a big value add. Installation is quick, and it pairs nicely with compatible phones, giving you peace of mind with 24/7 parking protection when it's working correctly. However, its reliance on smartphone connectivity and an imperfect app experience can be frustrating for some. Make sure you're comfortable with pairing your phone and don't mind a few bumps in the software road. But for tech lovers who want smart dash cams supported by good customer service and great video clarity, the Nexar Beam is worth serious consideration. If you want to check out the latest price, I highly recommend visiting the Amazon link in the description below, because prices for the Nexar Beam fluctuate fast and deals appear unexpectedly. Don't miss out on grabbing the best deal when you can. Whether you decide to buy or skip it, at least now you know what to expect. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.